Hello and welcome to Law Seekho. Let's talk about the top 10 news developments for the day under 2 minutes for judiciary aspirants. And first we start with the national news. So recently the Mankidia community has become the 6th particularly vulnerable tribal group to get habitat rights over the forest in Odisha. Now it's a semi-nomadic community which is known for its traditional skill of rope making for trapping and eating monkeys. Now we talk about the 24 standing, parliamentary standing committees which have recently been announced. So 11 of these committees are going to be chaired by BJP, while 9 by the opposition and remaining 4 by the NDA allies. So the committee on Home Affairs will be chaired by BJP's Dr. Radha Mohan Das Agarwal. The one on defense will be headed by BJP's Radha Mohan Singh. Then the one on finance will be headed by Bharatruhari Mehtab. And CM Ramesh, he is going to head the panel on railways, and Nishikant Dubey is going to head the committee on communications and information technology. Moreover, BJP MP Kangana Ranaut and Samajwadi Party MP Jaya Bachchan, they have been chosen as member of the communications and the information technology committees. Now the Bihar government, it has decided to get rid of the menace which is caused by nilgai and wild boars by giving permission to cull them. Now the farmers were particularly very distressed because of the damage which these animals cause to their crops. Now let's talk about the Hurun India Under 35 list. So it essentially enlists 150 entrepreneurs from India under the age of 35. So the list has Isha Ambani of Reliance, and it also includes Parita Parekh, who is the co-founder of Toodles, among the youngest women. It also has Mamaearth's founder Ghazal Alag, and the youngest on the list is Ankush Sachdev, who is the co-founder and the CEO of ShareChat. Now let's talk about the international news developments, and we start with Bangladesh. So Bangladesh's premier all-rounder Sheikh Al Hasnahi has announced retirement from T20 International, and the IMF, which is the International Monetary Fund, has approved a loan of $7 billion to Pakistan. Now let's talk about an important day. So the day concerned is the World Heart Day. It is celebrated annually on 29th of September. That's all we have for the day. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until we meet again.